Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu. In this video, I am going to show you how to install a Debian software package or .deb file in your Ubuntu machine. This method will be works on Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Kali Linux, and other Ubuntu-based OSs. So let's begin. Open the files and go to the targeted directory where the deb file is located. Now open terminal here and write sudo dpkg dash I and your package name. Hit enter and enter your root password. Installation process will begin. Installation completed and application is ready to use. Now open the installed application and hope it will work properly. I hope this video will helpful for you. Subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.